of the podium, you will find the podium monitor, the Crescent control panel, and both a VGA and HDMI cable for connecting to a laptop. If you are connecting with the VGA cable and will be showing anything with sound, i.e. videos or podcasts, be sure to plug the auxiliary jack connected to the VGA cable into the speaker or headset port on your laptop.
Okay.
The control panel may be in sleep mode when you arrive. Just tap it to wake it up and then tap it again to go to the opening screen. Here you will see icons on the left to access sources or the devices you are using, control the room lights, microphones, and audio/video conferencing. At the top right, you will see a button to turn on all displays and the main red power off button. To the right is the volume control. To begin, turn on all displays. This will drop the 2 front screens and turn on the 2 projectors and the 2 flat screens at the back of the room. We will go over how to turn off one or more of the projectors/flat screens later in this video.
You can display the room PC on all of the devices by dragging and dropping it to the left projector and to the right projector. Or you can even drag and drop 2 devices at one time so you can have multiple devices in use at once on the different screens. So I'm going to take Apple TV 2 and drag it and drop it to the right projector. And you can see that we have the room PC displayed and the Apple TV. Another cool thing that you can do after dragging and dropping Apple TV 1 and 2 is have Apple TV 3 and 4 in the back. So you go over to the left-hand side and you press left TV. You hold it and you click on local Apple TV. And it displays in the back. And then you go to the right-hand side where it says right TV. You click it and you go to local Apple TV. And you have 3 and 4 displaying in the back.
If you click on the lights icon on the left side of the screen, you will see 5 different presets. The room will become more dim as you go higher through the presets, but it does take a minute to dim the lights after pressing them, so just be patient as they start to dim. Now let's go over the audio. Notice the audio source box in the upper right corner of the control screen with the 3 buttons: left projector, right projector, and podium monitor source. To send the sound to the speakers, you will need to click on the button from the source that the sound is coming from. For example, if you're playing a video from the laptop on the right projector screen, you will need to press the right projector source to get the sound from that audio source. Control the volume, be sure that the mute button is off, and then press the up or down arrows to set the volume.
The room is equipped with a microphone at the podium, a lapel mic, and table mics. The table mics are for use with video conferencing only. To use and control the podium mic, tap on the microphones icon on the left side of the control panel. All mics should be set to mute. Mute buttons are blue when mute is on. Look for the control marked podium mic to room and click on the mute button. Speak into the podium mic. No need to be too close, as it is pretty sensitive. Adjust the volume up or down as needed. If using the lapel mic, you will just turn the lapel mic to room on. Be sure to request the lapel mic in advance from the Entrepreneurship Center.
Turn off all of the systems. All you have to do is press off on all of the bottom settings, and all of the screens will go up and the TVs will turn off. Then press power off on the system.